Hi everybody, hope you all are doing fine. I'm Shabana Shahab, your educator and mentor for VARC. In case you're an aspirant for CAT 2026, be there with me for the next 10 minutes. This is the session that will help you with all the big and small details because in this I'm going to cover the A to Z of CAT 2026. So when is CAT conducted? Every year on the last Sunday of November. Last year it was November 30th. This year it's going to be November 29th, so far I remember. करना क्या है? You just have to go to the official website, click open and see if the forms are out. The forms are generally out in the first week of August, and then there is a last day for submission as well. So you need to fill in all your details meticulously. Be very particular about your full name, about the details that are there on your government IDs and all. Once you submit your form, the window gets closed, and then after a few weeks, a window reopens just for a few corrections. How much money do you have to pay for this form? It's 2,600 rupees if you are general category. However, if you are a certificate holder for SC, ST, PWD, that is persons with disability, you need to pay about 1,300 rupees. But then you need to get those valid certificates as proof for your claim. भाई अगर फॉर्म्स की बात कर ही रही हूँ तो दो चीज़ें और बता देती हूँ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट. Point number 1, do you get to select the slot for CAT? No, absolutely not. CAT is conducted in 3 slots, morning, afternoon and evening. I'm going to come to that a little later, but no, you do not get to pick the slot. However, you can select the city where you wish to take the test. I think 5 preferences you can give, and depending on the availability, you'll be given that. Point number 2, जो 2600 रुपए आप डाल रहे हो for the form, that keeps you eligible only for the IIMs. So you won't have to pay separately for the IIMs, but then if you are going to apply to some other institutes, the non-IIMs, you need to pay separately. You need to go to those particular websites and fill the forms with separate fees. चलिए भाई, फॉर्म तो भरवा दिया मैंने, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's talk about the slots and the pattern. So CAT is conducted in 3 slots, morning, afternoon and evening. Morning is 8:30 to 10:30. Subah utna padega if you get the first slot. Afternoon is 12:30 to 2:30 and then the evening is 4:30 to 6:30. Once you get your admit card and you know which slot you have been given, please start training your brain and body according to the slot. Because if you got the morning slot and you do not know what a morning looks like, वहीं पे problem हो जानी है. So उसके बाद आपको अपनी conditioning शुरू करनी है till the day of the CAT. Moving on to the pattern, well, there are 3 sections where you are tested. Section number 1, VARC, Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension. Simple language में बोले तो English. That is where I come into the picture. Second one is DILR, Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning. And the third one is QA, Quantitative Aptitude, उसका full form, ACA, Maths. So इन तीनों में आपकी काबिलियत चेक की जाएगी. How many hours are there? 2 hours जिसमें आपको 68 questions मिलेंगे. 24 questions in VARC and 22 each for the remaining 2 sections. Are you supposed to do all the questions? Definitely not. That is the beauty of CAT. Even if you do about 50 to 55% of the paper, you hold a chance to score 99 plus percentile. Yes, you heard me right. अब तो हमने टेस्ट भी दे दिया. चलिए, let's wait for the results now. Results कब आएंगे? 15 to 20 days after the test. और आंसर की तो उसके भी पहले आ जाती है. But hang in there. Something very important. If you get a very good percentile, does that guarantee you a seat at the IIMs? No, it doesn't. वही तो प्रॉब्लम है मेरे दोस्त. Because this is just part of the game. I mean, cracking the test. After that, you have to face VAT, GD and PI. बताती हूँ तीनों क्या है. VAT is written ability test, GD is group discussion and PI is personal interview. PI can actually be the game changer. Even if you've got a 99 point some percentile, it doesn't guarantee कि आप PI में conversion कर ही लोगे. So if you're weak in communication skills, start working on those things from now itself. अच्छा, VAT क्या होता है? VAT and GD are generally the sifting process. Before calling somebody for the interview, they want to separate the grain from the chaff. So आपको एक essay लिखने को दिया जाएगा 200 to 50 words में, and then depending on your ability, you will be called for the interview. Okay, now we are done with all these things. Let's say you don't get a good percentile in the CAT. Should that be the end of the world for you? No, actually not, because there are other choices. Other choices बोले तो क्या क्या है वो मैं कुछ आपको बता देती हूँ ऐसी. एक है NMAT. NMAT and SNAP. नरसी मुंजी इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए ये टेस्ट होता है NMAT. It is conducted by the body GMAC. This comes in December. There is a window actually, 70-75 day का window जिसमें आप फॉर्म भरोगे और आप उस इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए टेस्ट दोगे. Then there is SNAP, SNAP, जो कि सिम्बायोसिस इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी कंडक्ट करवाता है. There are about 23 institutes under the flagship and उनके लिए आप ये वाला टेस्ट दे करके if you crack it, you are eligible for admission. उसके अलावा you get XAT, XAT. That is conducted by XLRI. ये क्या होता है? XAT is a test that gives you, in fact, it's one of the oldest tests, and it gives you admission to XLRI, XIME, XIMB, and all the other X वाले institutes under that umbrella. ये हो गया. उसके बाद आपका CMAT भी आता है. So CMAT है, महाराष्ट्र सेट है, ATMA है, choices की कमी नहीं है. ठीक है. और हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ यहाँ पे ये होती है, if you are preparing for CAT, you automatically get prepared for these other tests. Of course, there are some differences between these tests. जैसे आपका कैट के लिए ग्रामर ज़रूरी नहीं होता है वर्बल में, जैट के लिए वर्बल जैट में ग्रामर बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. सो ये कुछ पॉइंट्स होते हैं इधर उधर डिफरेंस के, बट ऑल इन ऑल इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर कैट यू आर मूविंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन. तो ये सारी चीज़ें आई होप आपको क्लियर हो गई हैं. इन द एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस, कैट इज़ अबाउट स्ट्रैटेजी. CAT is about having a balanced head on your shoulders and thinking carefully about what you want to do in the test. जैसा मैंने बताया 68 questions हैं. 68 questions में कौन से करने हैं, कौन से नहीं करने. Question selection, time management, how to improve your speed, techniques. What are the techniques that actually help you save the day? It's a combination of a lot of things. And in case you're looking for mentors, in case you're looking for the right guidance in the right direction, you know where to find. So on this note, I would like to sign out, and all the very best to all the aspirants out there.